Good morning. Did you sleep well? Good morning. Did you sleep well? እንደምን አደርክ? በደንብ ተኛህ? Yes, I slept very well. Yes, I slept very well. አዎ፣ በጣም ጥሩ እንቅልፍ ተኝቻለሁ። What time did you wake up? What time did you wake up? ስንት ሰዓት ነው የተነሳኸው? I woke up at 1 o'clock. I woke up at 1 o'clock. አንድ ሰዓት ላይ ነው የተነሳሁት። Are you hungry now? Are you hungry now? አሁን እርቦሃል? Yes, I am very hungry. Yes, I am very hungry. አዎ፣ በጣም እርቦኛል። Breakfast is ready. ቁርሱ ተዘጋጅቷል። What are we eating today? What are we eating today? ዛሬ ምንድነው የምንመገበው? ምንድነው የምንበላው? We are eating bread and eggs. We are eating bread and eggs. ዳቦና እንቁላል ነው የምንበላው። Can I have some tea too? Can I have some tea too? ሻይ መጠጣት እችላለሁ? Yes, of course. Yes, of course. አዎ፣ በእርግጥ። Thank you, mom. Thank you, mom. አመሰግናለሁ እናቴ። You are welcome. You are welcome. ምስጋና አያስፈልግም፣ ምንም አይደለም። Please clean your room today. Please clean your room today. እባክህ ዛሬ ክፍልን አጽዳው። Okay, I will clean it now. Okay, I will clean it now. እሺ፣ አሁን አጽዳዋለሁ። Don't forget to make your bed. Don't forget to make your bed. አልጋህን ማስተካከል እንዳትረሳ። I already made my bed. I already made my bed. አልጋዬን አስቀድሜ አስተካክያለሁ። Very good. Very good. በጣም ጎበዝ፣ በጣም ጥሩ። What are you watching? What are you watching? ምን እያየህ ነው? I am watching a football. I am watching a football. የእግር ኳስ ጨዋታ እያየሁ ነው። Which team do you like? Which team do you like? የትኛውን ቡድን ነው የምትወደው? የምትደግፈው? I like Barcelona. I like Barcelona. ባርሴሎናን እደግፋለሁ። Me too. Me too. እኔም። Dad, can you help me? Dad, can you help me? አባባ፣ ልትረዳኝ ትችላለህ? Yes, what do you need? Yes, what do you need? አዎ፣ ምን ፈልገህ ነው? I can find my book. I can find my book. መጽሐፌን ማግኘት አልቻልኩም። Look on the table. Look on the table. ጠረጴዛው ላይ እየው። Oh, here it is. Oh, here it is. እዚህ እኮ ነው። እዚህ ነው። Be careful next time. Be careful next time. በሚቀጥለው ጊዜ ጥንቃቄ አድርግ። Lunch is ready. Come and eat. Lunch is ready. Come and eat. ምሳ ደርሷል። ኑና ብሉ። ና ብላ፣ ነይ ብይ። Thank you. Sit down and eat. Thank you. Sit down and eat. አመሰግናለሁ። ቁጭ በልና ብላ። Did you finish your homework? Did you finish your homework? የቤት ስራህን ጨርሰሃል? ሰርተሃል? Not yet. I am still studying. Not yet. I am still studying. ገና አልጨረስኩም። አሁንም እያጠናሁ ነው። Study hard and focus. Study hard and focus. ጠንክረህ አጥና፣ በትኩረትም ተከታተል። Okay, Dad. Okay, Dad. እሺ አባባ። How was your day? How was your day? ውሎህ እንዴት ነበር? It was very good. It was very good. በጣም ጥሩ ነበር። Did you enjoy your class? Did you enjoy your class? ትምህርትህ ወይም ክፍለ ጊዜ ደስ ይል ነበር? Yes, especially English class. Yes, especially English class. አዎ፣ በተለይ እንግሊዘኛ ክፍለ ጊዜ። It is getting late. It is getting late. መሽቷል፣ ረፍዷል። Yes, I am feeling sleepy. Yes, I am feeling sleepy. አዎ፣ እንቅልፍ እያሸለበኝ ነው። Brush your teeth before bed. Brush your teeth before bed. ከመተኛት በፊት ጥርስን ታጠብ፣ ቦርሽ። Okay, Mom. Good night. Okay, Mom. Good night. እሺ ማማ፣ ደህና ደሪ። Good night. Sleep well. Good night. Sleep well. ደህና ደር፣ በደንብ ተኛ። Please subscribe, like, and share. Have a nice day.